In this video, I'm going to show you how to register a domain in SiteGround. Listen carefully as I explain the step because I can create an account due to restrictions, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the process so you can follow along easily. So first, make sure you are on the official website of SiteGround.com and then on the dashboard here in SiteGround. So assumingly we have an access on that, you will able to see there a domains in the main menu. Now, use the search bar to enter the domain name you want. For example, your business or links.com, for example. Now, SiteGround will check if your chosen domain is available. So if your preferred domain is taken, SiteGround will suggest alternatives. And then after that, once you find an alternative domain, you can click the add to cart and then you'll see the pricing details. So SiteGround typically offers domain registration for 1 year. So if you're not logged in, you'll need to sign up or log in to continue and then provide your email, password, and personal details to create an account. And then after that, complete the payment and then verify your domain registrations and then manage your domain in SiteGround. And that's it. That's how you register a domain in SiteGround. It's a simple process, although I can show you directly the process. I hope you all understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.